Good day, everyone. Let's continue discussing about the integrated science process. Okay, actually, there are six, but the first, second, and third is reported by my classmate Marie Smentis Claro. So here's the continuation, the three, four, and five. Okay, let's continue. So, what is experimenting? Experimenting is important in science. So, after nga makahibaw ta sa mga basics sa science, di ba? Sa ato ang elementary kay mga basic pa man na. So after nato makahibaw ana, magsugod na ta na experimenting. Before ta maadto sa complex, so diha sa ta sa basic sa science skills. So and then if mag-experimenting na ta kay first maghimo ta og hypothesis. So, unsa man din ang hypothesis? Hypothesis is an educated guess or possible answer to a question. It tells what they think will happen in the experiment, right? So, the next students identify the variables. So, the experimental or manipulative variable is one of the change on purpose. So, the controlled variables are the things they keep the same in the test will be fair. So, how about the responding variables? So, the responding variables, this is what they measure or observe. So, muna siya ang responding variables. So, the variables should be clearly measured or observed. So, explained by operationally defined, which means they describe exactly how they will measure or use them. Muna siya. So after that, they will make an experimental design. So this is the plan of how they will do the experiment step by step. So they prepare the materials, follow procedure, and the record of the data carefully. So, during the experimenting na, so na-experiment na, they test the katong hypothesis nga ilahang na himo, di ba? So, they observe what happens and collect data. So, dira na makakolect ni sila data. So, when the experiment is finished, so kung mahuman na ang kanang kuan experimenting, so they study the results, di ba? Inana man ta sa katong mga volcano, di ba? Ug unsay resulta ato man ang istudihan, ug unsa to ang laban, ang gawas, pagbuto inana kung katong pagkabuto nun. So muna siya. So the results will show if the hypothesis is the correct or not sa katong nahimo nato nga mga questions, no? Sakto ba? Alright, correct. Next, what is interpreting data? So data. After the experimentation, so we can get data, right? Actually, there are three types of data, which is the nominal data, ordinal data, and ratio data. So what is nominal data? Okay, nominal data is shows names or categories. For example, sa kanang male or female. Di ba? Color. Types of animals. So, muna siya ang nominal data. So, unsa man din ordinal data? So, ang ordinal data is kato ni. So, kung ari ta sa nominal is mga name of people. Gender, female ba ka or male ba ka? Animals, o unsa man nga mga kind of animals. O nya, favorite color, di ba daghan kayong colors. So, ug ari ta sa ordinal data. So, ang ordinal data kay mo ni siya katong magkuha na kanig first, second, third, fourth, fifth nya. Kung adto po ka sa kanang mga kuan kay kanang muna siya katong naay kanang good, very good, good, fair, di ba muna siya ang ordinal data. So order, di ba sa pangatlang daan order, di ba? Ordinal data in order. Yes. So next is the ratio. So ang og sa ratio, so ang kasagaran sa ratio muna ni siya ang mga numbers. Yun siya mga, so from the word ratio good. So this data uses numbers with exact values. So example, age, right? Atong timbang, atong height, numbers of students. So muna siya ang ratio data. So nakasabtan na, right? Very good. Okay, next. What is formulating models? From the word model, right? So formulating models means making a simple things nga atuang makita sa science. Simple representation nga atuang makita sa science. A model helps us understand how something works. Like experimentation, di ba? Makita na to. Usa siya sa example sa model. So we use science skills like observing, measuring, experimenting, and analyzing to create a model. So actually, there are two kinds of models. So the first is the mental model, and the second is the physical model. So first, what is mental model? So mental model is the model you can see. Is the model in your mind. Dapat kana siya is imuhara na siya gi-imagine nga unsay kanang mga na hitabo. Muna siya imo mental model. How about physical model? So it means physical. This is something you can see. Right? May mo mahikap, may pareha ng imuhang madrawing, and basta ka ng mga butang nga imuhang mahikap, which is physical. Diagram, right? For example, asa ka ng in a water cycle, evaporation and condensation are connected, right? So when water gets hot, so it turns into vapor. So this is called evaporation. When water vapors cools down, it turns back into water, right? Water droplets. So this is the vapor cools down, cold condensation. So we can draw a diagram to show how this process work together. So the drawing is the model. So making models helps students become more creative, right? So after experimenting, so para ilang mabuhat jud nila is muna na siya maghimo-himoon na to niya ang model. So ilang i-create, ilang i-drawing. So making models helps students become more creative. It helps them think, solve problems. It also improves higher order thinking skills, right? Like analyzing, explaining, and creating new ideas. So that's all. Thank you.